Okay, guys, I was supposed to make this video 2, 3 days ago when this trade actually happened, but yeah, I didn't actually get around to it because it's been too busy with various other things. So I was like, I've got a chance now, let me actually make this video. So yeah, here it goes. I mean, this trade actually happened so clean and so quick, through news as well, and it was actually crazy. So again, called it out to the group. So as you can see here, when is this? This was Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Okay, so Monday called out to the group. So again, you can see here market execution at current price or buy limit at 1965. At the time when I called it, this is basically what it looked like. So again, that's why I called it market execution. Okay, but I still had some potential chance that it could come slightly lower. So that's why I said buy limit as well. But a market execution is basically what I kind of pulled off from this. So yeah, in regards to this trade, I mean, it came in clutch. So again, so I posted this at 2:30, okay, UK time. And then by 2:46, as you can see, it said TP4 smashed. Okay, and then at some point again, that was another trade I sent out. And then yeah, so the next day, as you can see, 200 pips smashed, TP2 smashed. Okay, and the hashtag is we don't miss because we really don't in this group. Okay, between myself and educators. So yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time to be alive. Okay, so this trade, I mean, very simple trade. So again, if you guys remember from previous videos, we bought from this area here. Okay, and that's all we've done. We kept on riding it up. Okay, we bought from here, just understanding we took out that liquidity zone through there. Watch the previous video if you want to break down for that. And then we had another area in here where news actually happened, spiked into another demand zone, and we just kind of rid it up. Then from there, when we're seeing kind of this movement happen, okay, we had another spike, and then understanding our demand zones. So again, I was literally on a 15 minute. Okay, so let's just switch to the 15 minute right now. Let me go into replay mode as well because I don't want to go all the way back then to that side. So again, looking at this on a 15 minute chart, so we can see right here. Okay, we had our specific demand candle, which is obviously taking that Asia session high. We now use that Asia session high, okay, as a new demand zone supporter. Okay, so once we've taken our Asia session high, understanding the time of the day coming into New York, we knew potentially we wouldn't go below this Asia session. Okay, there's various factors to that, which again, I'm not going to explain on this YouTube video. Our team know it, the group know it, but I'm not going to go through that on this video specifically. Okay, but understand we've taken our Asia session high already coming into New York. Again, time and price is a very key thing. Time and price is a very key thing. Once you understand that, you understand exactly when to execute, how to execute, and when not to execute. It makes your trading life so simple. Okay, so we had that market execution, okay, for people that took the trade there. Okay, and then price read up. So I was just literally waiting for this. After we made some money through there, I was literally waiting for this. Okay, we came into the supply as expected. Again, if you watch the previous video, when we bought from here, where I expected price to go is exactly where it went, which is up here. Okay, so from there, again, I was looking at potential sell from here, but it happened way too quick for me. Then it just never came back. Okay, so all that time I was kind of just waiting for this demand area. So when I called out the trade right here, okay, we knew what was going to happen. Okay, we knew exactly what was going to happen. So literally when I called this out, I was waiting for it for like literally a day or two. Okay, and this literally happened on a Monday. So yeah, it came in clutch. So waiting for this trade, literally when I told everyone to market execute slash do the buy limit through here, all I was targeting was 200 pips. Okay, I was literally just targeting 200 pips just to take out this Asia session high. Okay, minimum. But again, we already knew it was going to potentially come into this IPA through here and potentially the supply through here. Okay, so that's what we wanted from the trade 200 pips. But as you've seen, it went it went way higher because I remember new news came out. Okay, so I market execute some positions through here. Okay, the following day, I market execute that because I was looking for a sell through here and I was thinking, I don't really see it coming down. Again, similar situation to why, again, we use this Asia session high to take price to go up is the same thing we did here. So when this is dropping, I was thinking, are we going to take this out to come back into this zone right here? Because we had simply IPA through here. Okay, let me just mark the zone out. We had IPA through here where we could potentially retrace to. And then we also had our demand candle through here. So we had 2 points of interest again, similar to this area. Let me just do that, demand, okay, through there. So we had 2 points of interest, again, similar to what we had here. Okay, I deleted it now, but we had a big IPA through here. Okay, and then similar thing to happen here. So that's why I was thinking, would it come down into this area and then go again? But I was thinking, maybe not. So once I saw this engulfing candle, I said, you know what, I'll take my chances. Okay, I'll take my chances and we mark execute right there. Stop loss just below here. Okay, stop loss just below here. Again, you're working about 25, 30 pips max, and then we're targeting our next supply zone up in here. So I believe this was, how many pips was this again? Okay, just again over 200 pips. So again, we're just doing the same thing on repeat continuously. So once you understand market structure, you understand where you are in the market, and this is something that I always preach. Okay, this is simply something I always preach to you guys. Like once you understand the basis of market structure, and then you mix it with our institutional style of trading with liquidity and demand, it becomes light work. It literally becomes light work. Like you're seeing things before they even happen. You can preempt what's going to happen, and all you have to do is be focused enough to execute the trade. Okay, as you can see here, where I say patience, discipline, fearlessness, execution, bag secured. That's simply it. Okay, once you understand how we trade and once you understand what we do time and time again, it just becomes almost boring because you're just like, cool, let's mark up this area and then I'll wait for it. And then we do the same thing over and over again. Okay, so we come up into the supply, and then as you can see where we are with price right now, okay, hit that supply zone, and then now it's kind of just chilling in this area. So I'm just waiting for the next move. Okay, I'm just waiting for the next move. But if I just shift to this chart here, okay, and this is my quarter point chart. Some of you are familiar with it. This is my quarter point chart. What the hell just happened? Okay, switch charts somehow. Okay, let's go back to the quarter point chart. Okay, once we're looking at this, I understand that we're working between specific levels. Again, if you're noticing, we've got 1800, 1850, 1900, 1950, 2000, 250, okay, 2100, 2150. Like you're seeing a very specific price right now, just chilling at 2000. Okay, for this whole year, it seems like it just likes this 2000 level. Okay, for 2000 ounces for gold. Okay, so that's basically, yeah. Okay, that's basically the area it's like chilling right now. Okay, potentially what I'd like to see is 2100 be met, because that's the highest we've never been. So this was the highest before. Okay, specifically, okay, this was the highest before, let's say 20,080 ounces. Okay, that was the highest we've ever been. So that acts as a liquidity zone right now. Okay, and then above that, well, we've got the 2100 zone. Okay, and if we understand how we trade, okay, we know that's acting as liquidity. Okay, and then what's hiding behind that? As you can clearly see here, okay, 2100. So that's the zone that I'm looking at warily. Okay, but obviously within market structure, that's the closest to us, and that's where it makes more sense. But we also know a bit longer term, where's the other liquidity? We've got this that's been hiding here since March 2023. Okay, we've made another low October 2023. Okay, so yeah, with market structure right now, this is looking more likely, okay, to kind of fall down into this area here. But I'm still very curious about the 2100. As you can see on this chart of what I've already marked up. Okay, I'm just curious. I've got my eye there. I'm just like, And then 2100 is sitting right behind that. So it could be very, very interesting. We'll see how things play out. Okay, we'll see how things play out, and then we'll see exactly how we can trade this. Right now, I'm just following market structure. Okay, looking to potentially short into this area here at 1928. And then if it does go lower into this area, I believe it will be coming for liquidity at 1816. And then, I mean, I can show you my longer term view and my long term picture. Just technically, okay, fundamentally, things can happen differently, but just technically, okay, this is what we could potentially expect. Okay, so again, you can see we had our COVID lows over there. Okay, and then, yeah, we had the various other things happening in due time. I mean, if I switch to the monthly, you guys remember what happened in 2008, right? Okay, if you haven't watched that movie yet, okay, The Big Short, okay, 2008, 2009. Okay, that's basically the data that we have there to see. Okay, and then we had COVID over here. So there's very, very key places that have been left unmitigated and left untouched that we need to mitigate. So I'll be keeping a very close eye on this. But in a short term, okay, again, like I said, the 1828 level, okay, 1828, and then these levels down here, 1816 got my attention. Sorry, 1808 got my attention, very, very close attention. So we see exactly how these things unfold. But for now, that's just the video. I know I made it a bit late, but I just basically wanted to go over that because it was a banging trade. And again, like I said, the team loved it. The team loved it. Everyone was happy. Everyone was eating. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And again, like I said, if you guys are interested in joining our family, again, we've got 401 people in this chat right now. Okay, and we've got 4 educators. Again, Eddie being one of them. He's more of a kind of he loves to trade kind of in and out. He's what you call a scalper, if anything. Okay, London session open, and then New York session open. He's in and out, and again, he makes a lot of money from that. Obviously, he's got a bigger account, so he can do things like that. So again, if you're interested in joining, just simply message me the word GOLDMINE to my Instagram, IG, jeddas.pipscobar. Okay, or simply just message me on YouTube, and then again, I'll find a way to contact you, and then we'll take things from there. But until next time, guys, take care.